Oh my god, someone has the dino costume that I have. It's just that I use it as a PJs. That's so fun. Okay. Just gonna put everything. And yeah, by the way, you guys, we have another mission. Buy a selfie stick somewhere, like a random one. The first one that we see, we try to get it. That's the guest streamer. Surprisingly not. Hold on. Okay, no, these will not fit in the pocket, so I have to put it in the backpack. There's so much chaos. Okay, you ready? Hi John, hi everyone. So there are all these people dressed up for Carnival. But who doesn't know? So basically Carnival, imagine it like Halloween, but remove the scary part. So like you're just like supposed to dress in costumes and stuff. And you see everyone is like on rollerblades. There are dinosaurs. That kid. And I don't know why, like everyone is on rollerblades. It must be some type of meetup. I have no idea, but yeah. Dinosaurs on rollerblades. Not something that you see every day. Oh, doggo off leash, bad owner. Hi everyone, that's arriving. Hello. Now let's see if I can go to that direction without any damage. Because that. Excuse me? Oh, excuse me, Dino. That was a dog. Oh, there's another one over there. But yeah, it's so fun. A lot of people on rollerblades. I used to have these when I was like in elementary school or something. Okay, let's go. We're gonna go this way, you guys. I have some destinations in mind for the stream. Excuse me, sir, your tail is kind of in the way. Exactly. Okay, I got everything. Yeah, I think that I do. Sorry, I'm just holding I hope that I will not make the camera move too much. I'll do my best. Oh, I'm so happy that I got the cap for covering my eyes because the sun is strong. Look like a hot dog for a minute. Kind of did, but yeah, welcome in everyone. How are you doing on this lovely Saturday? I'm not sure what's the temperature right now here, but it's pretty warm, probably like 15. Lente sporca. Wait, Andrea says that the lens is dirty. Non è che sono solo controluce. Let me give you a clean. Oh, you just got it, Obi? Is that what you mean? Is it different? Is the camera lens better now? We're gonna probably move to the shade. I have to say that it's sunny, so the temperature is nice. However, there's a little bit of wind that's like slightly chill. Meglio, Andrea? I could like just improvise a costume right now, right? I could. Look at that, how pretty. This area is so nice, very modern and stuff. Also, very bright toy. Yeah. No, wait. What did I want to say? I forgot, you guys. It's been a day today, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm happy to be with you. Chilling, relaxing a little bit. We might have a coffee soon, not lying. Like, I might kind of need it. Oh, thank you for that. You're so sweet. The necklace hits the mic or something. Okay. What is the necklace? I can't find it. I'm moving the necklace. Let me know if it improves. If it doesn't, I'm just gonna relocate the mic slightly. Whew. chilly, very chilly. There are so many doggos. Like I don't even see them, but I just hear them barking. Nice place. Yeah, this is actually like the tower of a bank. So I think that this is the one here, the highest skyscraper in Italy. Correct me if I'm wrong. I might be wrong on these.